In this video, I will show you how I modify my lighting to create those nice, silky smooth reflections on the products. So let's get started. Right now I have my standard setup in here. I have two lights, one on the background, one main light for the product, and the main light is having a softbox on the side just to create this nice long reflection on the side of the bottle. So if we take right now a test shot, then you can see reflection is looking good. It's nice and sharp. It goes all the way from the top to the bottom of the bottle. And right now I could say that we need to have one reflector on the left side and pretty much we are ready to go. But on this one, I want to modify my light so that I have nice gradient on the right side of the bottle. And then we see what we can do with the left side. I was always wondering, how do they get those silky smooth reflections on the bottles that are brighter on the side, but they have the fall off towards the middle of the bottle. This was something that I wanted to achieve also on my images. And then finally I found a specific diffusing material that is sold in photography stores, and it's called Lee filters, Lee diffusers, and they are coming in different types, in different thickness, and you can choose whichever version is the best for you. I'm talking about this specific material that is semi-transparent, and you can use this in different sizes and place it wherever you want, and it's not attached to your flashlight like softbox. I have built large scrims for myself where I have attached this material, and this is how they look. This is just a frame that I built, and I have taped the diffusing material on this frame. So I have several of those, and I can use these separate from my flashes, and it gives me really nice results. And I will show you how I use one diffuser on this image. Usually when I shoot wine bottles, then I want to have this nice reflection on the side, which means that I need to place the diffuser between the flash, softbox and the product. And this has to be pretty close to the bottle to have this nice long roll off, and in this case it will look really good. Let's try it out. If the light is right there and we take the shot right now, then what we have here is already very good looking image with really soft reflection. But right now I feel that it's too even, and the fall off is too harsh in the middle of the bottle. I want to have it brighter on the side and darker in the middle of the bottle. For that I need to replace my flash, and I can't direct my flash directly onto the product, but instead I need to put it under kind of a 45-degree angle towards the camera. And in this way, if I replace my light like so, then when I take the shot, you can see that we have a beautiful gradient which is brighter on the side and darker in the middle of the bottle. So this is my go-to trick when I'm shooting those nice wine bottles where I need to create different reflections. I could say that with this image we are pretty much ready to go, and that's it. Let's take the next one. But I would like to have the sharp reflection as well on the bottle, and let's add this sharper reflection on the left side of the bottle. For that I need to add one extra light and also one light modifier. And for that, I need to have my white acrylic material, which I place right next to the bottle on the opposite side, and also additional flashlight. And I'm using same trick with this flash as well, that I am placing this in the 45-degree angle, just to make sure that it has nice and even reflection on the bottle. So let's turn on the light, and we'll see if we take now another image. Then, as you can see, we have really beautiful product image. So this image is pretty much ready to go, I think. And in here, I think I would maybe add a little bit more light onto the label, because sometimes my clients are requesting evenly lit labels, but the bottle can be as it is right now. So let's add my reflector, which I'm using to illuminate my labels. And this is my white board with the hole. And let's take another shot. Now I will take the label from this image and the bottle from the previous image and combine these in the Photoshop later on, and I will get this beautiful shot. So I hope you got some tricks and tips from this video, and I'll see you in the next one.